Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute paper quilling miniature kettle along with the tea mugs and these delicious cookies. Everything is made using paper strips. Also I will share how to make this super cute tray. You can hold the tray like this and you can just use this as a showpiece, or you can convert this into fridge magnet. So on back side of this I have attached a fridge magnet, and showpiece is looking super cute. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am starting with making the kettle and taking total 9 strips of yellow color in 3 mm and wrapping it around the bottle cap. The cap is having approx 1 centimeter diameter, so we need to create one big ring. And the ring is ready. Secure the end using glue. Then I am taking total 11 strips of white color in 3 mm and making one big tight coil. So tight coil is also ready. Secure the end using glue. Now both the shapes are ready, so we need to shape it as a dome. For this I am taking my quilling mold and just making it little 3D. So whatever depth you want for your kettle, you have to make that much deeper. And I am shaping both the coils using quilling mold, and also tapping the center of the domes using backside of any cap to make the flat surface. And now I am happy with the depth, so adding glue inside both the shapes and connecting with each other. Like this, allow it to dry. Then to make lid, here I am taking 3 strips of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside this and keep it aside for a few minutes. Then to create knob of the lid, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one small dome. Add glue inside this dome and stick it on top of the lid. And then I am sticking the lid on top of the kettle. like this. Allow to dry. Then to create handle, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 3 mm, dividing in two parts. So now we have two 1/4 strip pieces connecting with each other. Then folding this strip from center, dividing in two parts and sticking with each other. So we have nice thick strip. Then I am taking one more half strip in yellow color and making same 1/8 length bunch. And then sticking both the bunches together to create nice thick handle. Then curving the handle little bit using bottle. And on both the ends of this handle I am wrapping maroon color 3 mm strip. So the handle is ready, super cute. Then it's time to stick the handle with the kettle. And allow it to dry for a few minutes. Then I am taking here 7 mm white color strip and wrapping it in the bottom where we have attached yellow and white domes together for nice finishing. And then it's time to create the nozzle. For this I am taking half strip of yellow color in 3 mm and creating one tight coil. Then just passing the pencil through this and making the cone shape like this. Then I have added glue inside the cone and connecting the nozzle with the kettle. So the super cute kettle is ready. Then to start with tea mugs, here I am taking 1.5 strip of orange color in 5 mm and making one deeper dome. Flattening the base using backside of the tool. Add glue inside the glass or mug. Keep it aside. Then taking one strip of orange color in 3 mm and wrapping it around my paintbrush and then making one ring. Add glue on top surface of this ring and allow it to dry. Then after drying, I am dividing this ring in two equal parts. So here I am making the ear for the mug. Take one part of the curved strip, add glue on both the ends, then just stick it with the mug. And this is done. So cute. Then to create tea, here I am taking half strip of beige color in 3 mm and making one tight coil, then sticking it inside the mug. So the quilled mug with the tea or coffee is ready. Similarly, I will create one more. Then to make plate, here I am taking 7 strips of light green color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then taking my quilling mold and shaping little bit dome shape on this, flattening the center part using broad bottle cap, and then adding glue on the plate as well to make it nice and sturdy. And the plate is ready. Then to make cookies, here I am taking one strip of maroon color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Then to add jam on top of this, I am taking 1/8 strip of red color in 1 mm and making one tight coil. Then sticking this on top of the cookie. And similarly we need total 4 cookies with the same process. Then here I am taking 7 cm diameter cardboard circle and I am decorating this circle with beautiful designer paper. So just sticking it like this, cutting the excess paper from the edge. And this is done. Then I am wrapping one strip of yellow color in 3 mm around the broad pen and just making the ring. Adding glue on top of the ring and allow it to dry. Here I am showing you how to make the handle for the tray. Now after drying the ring, we need to divide it in 2 equal parts. Then connecting one of the part by folding it in curved shape. And also connecting the other part of the handle like this. Then to decorate the tray from edge, here I am taking 1/8 strip of golden color in 2 mm and making one small tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of coils. So taking back my tray and from the edge, I'll start decorating this with golden tight coils. So this is completely done and it's looking super gorgeous and very amazing. Now it's time to decorate our tray with the handmade kettle, tea mugs and cookie plate. Like this. Then for the last step, I am attaching the magnet, but it's all up to you. If you don't want to convert this into magnet, you can just keep it as it is as a showpiece. So the beautiful paper quilling tea set along with the cookie is ready, and the color combination is looking very cute. I have just added few drops of varnish on top of the tea to give it little shine. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.